Hello and welcome to Art with Arrow. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like and follow. Also, we just did the unboxing for the SHOKZ Open Run Pro is the one I have, which is a headphones set that you can use for exercise or just if you're around the house listening to your podcast. I think it works great, especially if you have kids or you need to be able to hear other stuff going on in the house. My wife is really big into running and stuff, so these headsets work really well for her to be able to hear the cars and stuff while she's out running. And since she's pulling me out there so I can get more exercise in, we're really enjoying this headset. So I have this blue version here, which is the Open Run Pro. It really actually feels comfortable around the head, and they're really easy to use. And like I said, it doesn't go inside your ear, so you can hear everything. And the sound quality to me sounds pretty good. You know, it's not the same kind of sound you're going to get the one that goes in your ear or over your ear, obviously, because it's conducting through your jaw here, right? That's how you hear the sound, is vibrations through the jaw or whatever. But I really enjoy the headset. I want to say that again. I really enjoy the headset. I mean, it works very, very well. And this Pro version has a little bit better bass than the regular models. But just to show you guys, I pulled up the website here. And as you can see, they have some kind of sale going on. I got mine from a running store, but you know, this is their actual website, and you can see they have the prices marked down, and that must be a holiday thing. This is the Open Run. Here is the Open Move and the Open Swim. If you go to the sports, this is the one I have, which is not on sale right now, it looks like. The Open Run Pro is the one I have, and I have the blue version. But the Open Run and the Move, those two seem to be on sale. So I don't know if you guys would be interested or you guys have a need for this type of headset, but I would say it's a good headset. It's definitely worth taking a look at. If you're definitely into walking or jogging outside and you want to be able to hear the traffic, oncoming traffic and stuff, or if you're just around the house. I mean, like I've been using mine for podcasts, and it really works well. I mean, the sound quality to me is really good for a bone conducting headset, and I am really enjoying the headset. I mean, I'll just put on my podcast and I can hear my kids if they need anything, or if I need to go check on them. You know, to me, that is the benefit to having this type of headset. And it's really good. It works well with the iPhone. I don't have any issues connecting or anything like that. So if that's something that piques your interest, this is a good headset, I think. It's worth it. And definitely, since they have some of the ones on sale, I would say this would probably be a time to pick one up if this is what you're looking for. I am not sponsored by SHOKZ. I just want to go ahead and throw that out there. I'm not sponsored by anyone, actually, because I have a small YouTube basis. But I'm trying to do more unboxing stuff and more variety of videos. I am still doing artwork. It's just I haven't had the time to sit and set up a record session for like drawing and stuff. But I want to get back to that next year. Been really busy with school, plugging away to this graphics design degree, and I've been trying to learn more and more about video editing. So I'm in video editing class right now, and video or TV production. So we are learning and we're trying to get better. So Bear with me as I go on this YouTube venture here and try to, create more content and make things better for the channel. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you want to see more content from me, please follow, hit the like, drop a comment. Let me know if you're going to pick one up. I think it's a good buy, especially if you got kids. You can be around the house listening to your songs or podcasts or whatever you're into and still be able to hear your kids, which is a real big deal. I mean, being able to hear them and know what they're up to, because, kids get into everything. You got to be able to have those ears open. So till the next one, y'all. You know what to do. I'm out of here.